Having just arrived in Bangkok, we have to negotiate our way using the metro and the Skytrain to our new apartment. And of course, enjoy our first night in Bangkok.
Okay, MRT Blue Line, we're still following the things. And it's got a map of everything for you. Except where that blue line is.
We are here.
Okay.
And then we take the blue line to there, catch the
green line into the middle of town. That's what we want to do.
Information, super helpful. Spoke
Yeah.
English. Told us we were going to the wrong station. Now we're going to the right one.
Chatuchak. So from here, if you want to go to the center of town, get to the blue line, take a short trip to the Chatuchak.
Yeah, and then
we'll be back there for their market.
We will show you for sure. But the station, the blue line station, is actually inside the train station.
Yeah. Cool. Let's go see how it works out for us.
More escalators.
Loads. I think he might be telling us that it's like still 20 minutes to walk or something. In case you think you're going to make a train. But I don't know why, because they go like every minute or something. Or maybe if you're coming up for the other train, because they only go once a day. So we were presented with a decision, and we've gone with the shortest by 10 meters.
But it says the sign there.
Okay, but I think it's because there's 2 blue line stations here.
Okay.
They're quite close.
Well, hopefully they're not ones different.
No, the line is the line. The decision moment.
Exit.
That way, but to railway station, but this way to trains. I think 2 trains?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's go with 2 trains. Yeah, they've got the whole fare rate. And you can actually take the blue line really far. The maximum fare looks like about 45 baht.
Okay, I changed it to English. Well, I can read it. Push the button, push anywhere on it.
Anywhere?
Then you can change it to English up there.
I think it's in English.
Yeah, I changed it to English.
Please select your destination on the map.
We want number 13, which is there. A little bit more in the middle of it. Yeah,
Oh.
there you go. 20 baht.
Okay, we're going to buy one at a time.
Maybe. Okay, let's put in our 20 baht and see what happens. Goes in.
This way?
Oh, wait. There, you got a token. Rick.
Okay, well,
Please
one of
take
us
your
is
token.
going.
Okay, awesome. Let's try another one. Please be patient, and our token arrives. Let's get on the train.
Okay, it looks like if you don't do the token thing, you can just tap your Visa, but they're not working. Oh no, these are, yeah.
Oh. Visa. We just don't have a Visa. We have MasterCard.
You need a Visa for Southeast Asia. Oh, and he's through.
Okay, everything is clearly labelled. You just have to know which way the arrow is going, but I'm pretty sure it's here.
And they're actually telling you to not walk on the escalator. Which is kind of cool, so now you know. So this shows us where we are. And then you just have to figure out which, there's only one side. Do people only go in one direction from here?
Yeah, only one direction.
Okay, cool. So if it's in 2 directions, I assume there'll be another lane.
Whoa, so fast. It just arrived. It's not stopping for us. Yeah, it actually tells you 4 minutes it will arrive. Possibly our train.
Ooh, chock-a-block full.
Wow.
I guess if they're full, they just don't stop. I suppose unless someone's coming out. Wow.
There's space for us in there.
If people come out. Yeah.
Yeah, it really is full. No travelling at rush hour, guys. We made it out. But we had to cross an entire train full of people.
But she does tell you before that the next station is whatever, and the doors will open on the right. And there's a little symbol that will
On the
say
actual
red
door,
doors,
yeah.
green doors.
But he gave us a bit of time on this one. The last one was like just 1 second and you had to be out.
Well, that was a fun first experience.
Well, let's get out. We got a token still to use.
Oh, yeah.
On that grey thing, yeah. Oh, you drop it in this time, yeah. And you're out. Whew. I got stuck in. Go through.
Oh, you nearly got lost there forever. No Bangkok for you.
No, we're still not really there yet.
No, okay. Let's go up now. There are toilets at the stations. It looks pretty good. Decent security. Even people selling fresh food and like salads and things.
There's even 7-Eleven.
Oh wow. Lots of shops and things. But signage is a bit dried up. Oh look, here's a want to go kiosk. So if you booked online through want to go, you can pick your tickets up here.
Have you a haircut? Looking a bit raggedy, unlike me.
Yeah. Oh, 200 baht. Wow.
So far the cheapest we've seen in Thailand. I think we're actually in a mall, Rick.
I think so, yeah.
Because they don't sell clothing at the train station.
Oh, we've still got a sign. It says Mochit BTS station. Oh, there you go. It is actually a metro mall. They've got loads of eating choices and stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. The blue sign. Mochit station.
Tell you what, when Google said it's only like 1 kilometer to walk on the outside, or you could walk 1 kilometer inside.
Yeah. But you never know with Google's directions, so rather take the metro. It's quite a long way. It looks really close on Google. It feels like we're walking back to the station where we arrived at.
Fast.
Yeah. Right, more up. Wow. There's a big up. I know.
Getting outside.
Okay.
Sort of run out of place now.
There's a Skytrain though. I see one.
How do we get to it?
Everybody seems to be going up here. There's no signs.
Okay, we just asked someone because they actually know signs.
Well, they saw us standing around and said, "Where do you want to go?"
And he said, go down this way. You can see the sign that says Mochit there, and there's an escalator going up.
Ah, okay, cool. All right, going up. Looking for signs.
There we go, change is 6. And there we go, we got our cards and our change. Success! Tap ticket. Welcome.
So here you have to know where the final destination is. So we are here and we're going here. It's nicely all lit up. So it's towards Kia. To Kia. It looks so busy still.
This time you lose your card.
Uh-huh.
Welcome to 9 Place. It's on the ground floor. But come on in to my spacious house.
Number 1. Wow, look at this place. TV. Huge bed.
Little table for watching TV. Wait for it. Massive couch for watching the dressing up makeup
Fridge.
thing.
Desk.
Hair stand. Hat stand. So hat stand.
Uh-huh.
I got
Covers. Wow, loads. Another little desk and a chair.
and then come into the kitchen.
No.
That's right. We have a
A
kitchen.
bit of a kitchen.
Microwave. Kettle. Coffee machine.
Yeah.
Nuts.
And And where's the bathroom, you ask? Well, it's off the kitchen, obviously. There's a toilet and there's a shower. Even like a little bit of a balcony outside.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's pretty awesome. Cool. Yeah, it's massive though, eh? Wow.
Yeah, and it's like $20 a night. Probably get it cheaper if you're booking long term. Hello, kitties. Fat cat, well fed. Hi.
Look at the size of this wok. Good evening. Man, what is he cooking in that? Oh, some really interesting looking stuff. Not sure we're ready for that, right? And there we go. Very nice. Oh, that's the metro. You got some choices of things, including liver.
Pork, inside pork.
Pork.
Yeah, only pork.
Okay. All is pork.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? Ah, very cool. 1 liter for 240. Okay. Whoa, not sure what these are. Looks like stewed pork leg. Yeah. I think he actually has them. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Properly stewed. I'm pretty sure it says hormone dining. But here they got some beers and some food. Let's go have a look. Well, there's things you don't see on the menu every day. Fried horse mackerel. I think it's horse mackerel, not horse and mackerel. But,
Oh wow, yeah. Okay.
yeah, and you get some whatever that is.
And the slices are different.
Oh, that was kind of interesting. So let's move on to the next place. Hey, have a look at this. This looks like pork. Wow. Crispy pork. We found something that we more or less understand. If you have a look there, it's something with rice. Yeah.
Looks lovely.
Looks really nice.
Yeah.
Here it was probably that. Actually, no, that looks like prawns. Might have been that one. No, that was fish. There we are. Fried chicken curry with rice.
Oh yeah.
It's like the secret stall right here on the streets of, I'm going to say Bangkok, because that's where we are. Man, and they're cooking everything right here. Hot woks.
So they've got a great menu with so many things.
That is such a
And
hot wok.
if that wasn't enough, they bring you a couple more things. And there's even more up there.
Wow. There we go. That is such a hot wok. What is she cooking there? Oh, my eyes are actually burning from the chili. And with the egg. You guys just go see it. And the other egg. And the other egg. 3 eggs. That's how you cook eggs. Put them on fire. That's the crispy pork.
Yep.
And there's some veggies. So crispy pork for me, the egg for me, we're just waiting for the rest now. I think we're getting the rice now. Yeah, that's the rice. And here we are, look at this. Crispy pork fried rice with, wait for it, an egg. Yeah, Rick's gonna get a million photos. I'll watch hers being cooked now. That's the chicken green curry going on there. There we go. Fried green curry. Egg breaking time.
little hut. Oh, that looks beautiful.
That is perfect.
Wait,
Perfectly
wait.
cooked. Chili in the air is
Wow,
burning.
yeah.
That's why I only asked for medium. I'm gonna grab a bit of rice.
I clearly heard you saying spicy.
No, she said medium. She said medium because I said, oh no, wait a second. So she said
Okay.
basil fried crispy pork. Oh yeah. Soft, crispy, juicy meat, a little bit of fat just perfectly, and the hot is a good medium, perfect medium. Thai green curry, they don't ask whether you want it hot or medium or what. It just comes as it comes.
Let's just do it. And there's some broccoli, so that's cool. There's quite a lot of the Thai basil, so you taste the basil and the licoricey notes. It's pretty hot. I think I can manage slowly with a lot of rice.
And some beer. Don't rub your eyes. Thai green curry in Bangkok. In case I didn't make it clear before when I said Bangkok 100 times.
I mean, no, it's a little. Come on.
Wow.
Are you proud of me for eating that? Straight off the train into Bangkok. You can't get a more authentic experience than
You
that.
really can't. And my mouth is burning. I'm sweating because there's no aircon, not because it was such hot food. That was such hot food. My mouth is burning.
It's great. And I love this area that we're in.
Yeah, it's awesome.
This is just a couple of minutes walk from our place. There's truly authentic food. Large tank beer, 80.
yeah. All that pain and suffering. Wow, it was hot. Only $2.20, which is, I don't know, $6. Thank you so much. Yes, that was very good. Very, very good. A little bit too hot for me. Next time I'll get medium.